Hello, good morning and welcome to Not Just About Ducks with me, Angela. Let's go and see the ducks. Good job. Oh, he's still on. It's rained. So what's new? Right. So every morning when I come outside with the ducks, obviously I gotta take them out. I find a bottle of beer, empty of course. This morning I found two, and they're either placed or chucked in the bush by here, or by my neighbours, or down by there. It's not very nice. Obviously it's a local, whether it's a kid, I don't know, but it's got to stop. It really has. Hi, so I'm going to harvest some carrots. I'll be blanching them and freezing them. And I have to get the strawberries out of the freezer because I need room in the freezer for this year's harvest. Well, the strawberries are this year's harvest, but I can make some strawberry wine and maybe some strawberry jam and some strawberry juice for my mother. So I've got some carrots that are going to seed. I've found that if a carrot goes to seed, it goes very woody, so we'll crack on. As Winnie the Pooh would say, it's a very blustery day. ones that are going to seed. Look. A perfect carrot. Rainbow carrots, you know, all the colourful carrots. People have said that obviously they're full of, having a warning call again. You know, genetically modified. The thing is, years ago, carrots always used to be a multi-coloured thing, and then people were fonder of the orange carrot. So over the years, the scientists or whatever, the horticulturists, they made the carrots so to fit the market, so there were more orange carrots. So now the colourful carrots are heritage ones. They are the original carrots that was. Oh, another Spanish slug. You can tell the Spanish slug because of its colour. It's like a tan colour, light brown, and it has an orange ruffle at the base. So I'll go in the bucket. Because I have ducks who eat them. So some of today's haul. So I have, this is some of today, so I have a bucket of rainbow coloured carrots and a few potatoes that were volunteers. I didn't plant those. So that's enough for lunch, and it's more than enough. And I've got these onions and those onions, and I've picked some rainbow beetroot. So there's some cylindra, and like I say, rainbow beetroot. I love these rainbow beetroot. They've got a different taste, still a beet, but they're very sweet, and they're very different, and they're nice. And so I've been picking beetroot most days now. And a kohlrabi, I picked one yesterday as well. This is about the right size, maybe a wee smaller for a kohlrabi, otherwise they tend to get a bit woody, but that's perfect size. A wee bit smaller maybe. I should have picked that a good week ago, I think. But yeah, now for stringing up my onions, or some of them. I've got loads more. And that's a small carrot. I have got bigger carrots, but I like them this size. And so there we are. I look a state. I'll show you what I look like, which is awful. So this is me, Angela, from Not Just About Ducks, asking you to please, if you like the video. So this is Angela from Not Just About Ducks, signing off now. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you'll get notifications. I know, but and I've still got to pick today's strawberries, but that's today's harvest, and I've got lots more to harvest. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Thanks. Bye. Let's go see what those ducks are up to.